welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys Filmora AI text to video features. Okay, so if you never heard about the Filmora is a software for recording your videos. Also, you can edit your videos. Okay, and plus you can edit those videos using the AI features. Okay, that's the newest invention from Filmora. Okay, Filmora 13 is the newest version. Okay. Here is the website. Okay, I'll be leaving the link inside the description of this video to the website. You can go and check it out yourself. Okay, so basically what you need to do, you just need to click on one of those buttons here, and you can download this into your PC or laptop, and you can start using Filmora for free. Okay, so that's also available for you guys. Okay, so I will just leave the link below, and in the meantime I just want to start and show you what can be achieved with this tool. All right, so Filmora AI edit videos like never before with the magic of AI features. Okay, one of those AI features, okay, there's AI co-pilot editing, AI text-based editing, and so on and so forth. AI thumbnail creator even there is available here. I'll be focusing on those other features in the future videos, but today I want to go and focus on AI text to video. Okay, so what you can do with it, you can write a prompt and Filmora AI text to video will bring your ideas to life. Right, so let's jump into the Filmora itself. I'm inside the Filmora. Okay, I already have this tool downloaded into my desktop. All right, so I can start using it straight away. First, what you can do, okay, there is a main studio here, like it's first and foremost, okay, once you start Filmora, that's the first page you're gonna see, right? And huge button, new project. Okay, once you create this one, then it will go directly to the studio where you can start either recording or editing your already videos which you already have. Okay, but before we do that, okay, I just want to explore a few features which we are available, as I said. Okay, so you can screen record. Okay, AI text to video, which we'll be focusing today. You can AI text-based editing. Okay, you can edit using the AI. You can silence detection. Okay, AI copywriting, instant clutter, instant clutter, auto beat sync, and others. Okay, many features available here in Filmora. That's why I'm using this Filmora on a daily basis. Okay, I very enjoy using that tool, and I decided to start recording a few videos about it because I think it's amazing. Right, so. What you can do, you can go ahead straight away, you can go and change the aspect ratio. Okay, let's say that you are planning to do the videos only for the TikTok or YouTube shorts or Instagram or any others, so here you go, there are aspect ratios available for you. All right, so this is a beginning. All right, so now let's go and jump into the AI text to video feature. Once we click on it, we will be using this feature to create a video about the gardening. Okay, that's the topic of this video I choose to start this video with. Okay, so I prepared a simple prompt, gardening for beginners. Right, now what we can do, as I said, we can choose between different type of ratios. Okay, when you do the AI text to video, there are two ratios available, either for the YouTube video like 16:9 or shorts or TikTok's 9:16. All right, okay, so here you go. What we can also do here, we can go and choose some of those voices which they are available here for us.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
You see, those voices are available here for you, or you can also, what you can do, you can go and clone your own voice if you prefer to do so, right? So that's also available here. You just need to record a couple of sentences, okay, a couple of lines of the text, and the tool will actually go and it will clone your voice, and every time when you be generating those type of AI text to video scenarios, okay, your voice will be there included. Okay, so you don't have to record it on your own. This will be pasted automatically by the AI tool. Okay, so now, okay, let's go, and there are also a few languages available here. Okay, so you can choose the one you prefer. I will stick to English. Right, okay, text to video, perfect. Now your input is too short. Okay, enter text with more than 50 characters to ensure better results. All right, so we can go back to editing. Okay, now to fix that problem, we just have to go and click generated by AI. Okay, and everything is nicely explained to us. So what type of text are you going to do? Okay, informative, explanatory article. Okay, you can do the opinion-based, product coverage, others. Okay, I think that's informative will be absolutely fine here. Text topic. Okay, topic will be, as I said, gardening for beginners. However, there is a more details, right? So for more details, what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste this line here. Okay, prepare a short guide focusing on basic of gardening, include information around different types of plants. Okay, I think that's more than 50 characters anyway. So yeah, we got 109 characters here. Perfect. That's all what we need. Now let's go and click generate text. Replace text. The text generated by AI will override the text you have entered. Are you sure you want to proceed? Yes, I am sure. Okay, so that was the idea for the AI tool to look. I said to the AI tool in Filmora, I said, go and create me a guide for basic of gardening. Okay, and the tool will actually replace that text by saying like, okay, I know what you mean. Now I'm going to create some text regarding the basic of gardening. However, this will be different than I have said. Okay, they got the idea grasp, the AI grasped the idea, and now we create their own. Yes, I'm okay with that. I'm going to click replace, and the text is being generated for us. Okay, shouldn't take long. There we go, 1,007 characters in a matter of 2 seconds. There we go, everything is nice. Now, as I said, a few options available for us. Okay, like you can choose the person you want to be speaking, like voiceover, a ratio. You can clone your own voice. Language. Now let's go and text to video. Okay, and the text to video has been doing for us now. Okay, I will leave it there, and I'll come back once it's ready. Now our video is ready. It took about 2 minutes for the completion. Every aspect of this video you can see here now has been generated by AI. So that's include the text, stock media, voiceovers, music, and everything was being put together by the AI. Okay, you can always go ahead and do your own amendments. You can do your own editing, or you can leave it as it is. Okay, I highly encourage you to go watch it through, and if you don't like one or two aspects of that video, you can easily go and amend it. Like for example, you don't want to you see that text here. You can go ahead and add additional text if you wish to do so. You can put it in the bold. You can make changes to the font size and the color and everything. Everything is customizable here inside the Filmora. So I think that's a great thing. Okay, and then once everything is ready, you can just go and click the export button, and then you can go and export the video down into your PC, to your laptop, or even you can push that directly to YouTube or TikTok if you wish to do so. Okay, so let's go and watch a short clip of that video here.
Gardening for beginners can seem overwhelming, but with just a few basics, anyone can start growing their own plants. First, choose a spot with plenty of sunlight and access to water. Next, prepare the soil by loosening it with a shovel or gardening fork and adding compost or other organic matter. When it comes to
See, that's all been done for you, okay? But you definitely need to go and do some amendments. For example, this part bits here, you don't want that particular stock media. That's no problem at all. You just go and click here, and you can choose the other stock media which they are available for you, okay? And you can go and replace it. So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, okay? I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you got any comments, please leave it down below. I'll be leaving the link to the Filmora inside the description of this video. If you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.